what are your strengths? Basically, why is the question I'm asking him, or like looking, is the strength do you have helping company grow? So somehow example do strengthemos adaptability, ability do you look, can you go come to neutral place, easy do you look go in government man marry or workplace, hardworking, you man marry the work, honesty you know what I mean, flexibility. You got to working, but some work come up, you can help working slow work. Optimistic, regardless of any situation come up, you still working. Fast decision making, working decision, or persistent, you continuously suppose anything something come up, but not working, give up, continue working. Self-motivated, quick learner, team player, trustworthy or man trust in you, cancer. Something we look about strength, kind of punctuality, stuff like here, sometimes kind of you shall come about at least the workplace and stuff for business. How we answer this question? Example, I enjoy working in a team. I am flexible, a quick learner, and optimistic towards my career and my life. Might be the reason why people that are new to me tell me that they trust my leadership when I lead in a project. So you're talking about something about the QL.